90% of video editors are going to lose their jobs within the next 2 years. Now, I know it sounds hard to believe, but what I'm about to show you will blow your mind. AI agents have become so advanced that they can edit an entire video from just a single prompt. You don't have to be on camera, you don't need to open any video editor, everything will be done by this new video agent. Yes, HeyGen's video agent is now so powerful that if you give it a full script or even just tell it a topic, it can create and edit the entire video for you. I'll show you step by step how to do it. Subscribe to learn about the most advanced AI tools faster than anyone else. Let's get started. First, open HeyGen from the link in the description. If you're new to HeyGen, you can easily sign up using Google. Now you'll be on the homepage. On the left side, find and click on Video Agent and you'll be taken to this page. Here you can select the avatar you want to use to create the video. This avatar can even be your digital twin. If you don't know how to create your digital twin, I've already made a full video on that. You can check it out after watching this one. So click on Avatar. Here you can choose any presenter from public avatars or you can use your own from My Avatars. I'm going to select My Avatars and choose this one. I usually create finance related videos on my other YouTube channel using this avatar. Now let's select a look for this avatar. From the style option, you can choose any pre-made video style. I'm not going to choose one because my avatar already looks good. Now let's go back to the video agent. Here you can describe your video idea. You can simply tell it, hey, make a video on this topic for YouTube or any other platform and it will create the video for you. But I prefer using my own script, so I'll do that. I'll say, hey, create a video from this script and then paste my full script here. I'm creating an in-video art for one of my ebooks where I've combined 100 real stories of big businesses that faced real problems and how they solved them. You can check out that book from the description as well. Now let's copy the script and paste it into the video agent. Before generating the video, let's look at some settings. If you click on this idea icon, the agent will enhance your prompt. I don't like using this because I want my original script. From the plus icon, you can upload media or resources. For example, if you're creating an ad for your product, you can upload product images or videos here and the video agent will use them. Yes, it's that advanced. In this case, I could upload my ebook cover, but I let HeyGen's AI handle everything. I believe it will generate a great cover image on its own. Now, if you click on this icon, you'll see two more options. The first lets you adjust the video duration. I'll leave it on auto. The second lets you choose the format, either landscape or portrait. I'll select landscape. From here, you can either chat or generate the video. I'll go straight to generate. Now let's generate the video. As you can see, the agent is analyzing everything and what it will create the A roll, collect and generate B roll, process everything and edit the full video. This process will use some credits, so you'll need a creator plan to use this feature. Now the video is ready, let's check it.
Power players, listen carefully. We are not born with every kind of knowledge. We learn by observing, by seeing how people solve real problems, storing that knowledge in our minds, and later using it to solve our own. Business works the same way. When you start a business, you don't automatically know how to solve every problem. You have to think, experiment, and test many ideas. But if you already understand how other businesses faced problems and solved them, you can apply that knowledge to your own business much faster. That's why I wrote the ebook 100 Real Business Problems and Solutions. In this book, you'll learn how real companies face difficult problems and the exact ways they solve them. And the truth is, many of these problems appear in almost every business. So grab the book, store those lessons in your mind, and when similar challenges appear in your business, you'll solve them almost without realizing you were even in a problem. That's the power of learning. Now let's get back to the video.
Awesome. As you can see, the agent edited the video perfectly. It used stock footage, generated its own clips, and even created a premium image of my book cover. Now let's see how to change any part if needed. I want to update the 7th scene with an animated infographic that represents problem solving. So I asked the agent to revise the 7th scene and shared my idea. It will take a few minutes. Great, it's ready. Let's check it again.
But if you already understand how other businesses faced problems and solved them, you can apply that knowledge to your own business much faster.
Perfect. It updated the video exactly how I wanted. So this is how HeyGen's AI Video Agent can create and edit a full video without using any editor. This tool launched just a few months ago and it's already amazing. Imagine how powerful it will be in 1-2 years. If you want more videos about the latest AI tools, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.